as is a winged messenger of heaven.
To the white upturned wondering eyes of mortals that fall back to gaze upon him when he bestrides the lazy pacing clouds and sails upon to the bosom of the air.
Oh, Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo? Deny thy father and refuse thy name, or if thou wilt not but be sworn my love, and I'll no longer be a Capulet.
Shall I hear more, or shall I speak this?
This,
But the name that is my enemy, thou art thyself.
though not a Montague, what's a Montague? That's not a hand, nor foot, nor arm, nor face, nor any other part belonging to a man.
Oh, be some other name.
What's in a name? That which we will call a rose, by any other name would smell as sweet.
Retain that dear perfection which he owes. Without that title, Romeo,
Doff thy name, and for that name which is no part of thee, take on thyself.